Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole and today I'm going to show you how to make a light and crispy beer battered cod, making it easy to have fish and chips at home. I'm using a cod today, but there's other white fish that will work just as well. For example, halibut or haddock. My fillets today are between 4 and 5 ounces each, and I just want to break them down into slightly smaller pieces so they cook more evenly. Fresh or frozen fish will work here. What's important is to make sure that the fish is patted dry with a paper towel. Next, we want to lightly season our fish on both sides with salt and pepper. Our batter today starts with 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of rice flour, and it's the rice flour here today that really helps to give the batter a light and crispy texture, almost a little tempura-like. 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a light whisk to combine these dry ingredients. And we can't have a beer batter without beer. Today I'm using a Heineken. However, most any pale lager beer will work. For example, Budweiser, Pilsner, Stella are all great choices. A standard bottle, 330 milliliters. And stir together until fairly smooth, but the odd little lump is okay. And there will be enough batter here to coat about 2 pounds of fish, or 10 to 12 pieces. And just before frying the fish, we're going to sprinkle it lightly with a little bit of rice flour. This helps to ensure the fish is dry and gives the batter a little bit of something to stick to. You'll want to heat a large pot of canola or peanut oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit using a high heat thermometer or even an electric deep fryer. Once your oil is hot, add several pieces of fish to the batter, turning to coat evenly. Shake off any excess batter and add to the hot oil. Cook the fish until golden and crisp, about 4 to 5 minutes. Cutting the fish in uniform size helps ensure the fish is cooked by the time the fish turns a nice golden color. Once the fish is done, remove to a paper towel lined tray and keep warm in a low oven while you fry the remaining fish. You'll want to serve it with my fresh and vibrant homemade tartar sauce, which you'll find at the end of this video. Perfectly golden, light, and crispy. It's the perfect beer battered fish. Thank you for watching today. I hope you see how easy it is to enjoy fish and chips at home. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or you can visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.